On December 12, 2020, at 11:58 p.m., Deputy Richard Santos was on patrol near Stella's Sand Trap in the 3100 block of Niles Street when he saw a physical fight in the parking lot. As Deputy Santos was pulling into the parking lot, he heard a gunshot. Here's the moment it happened. The suspect, later identified as Henry Rodriguez Jr., enters the blue car and attempts to flee. A woman attempts to block Deputy Santos from leaving the parking lot. She grabs onto the car door but quickly falls down. Here's that same scene from a different angle along with radio traffic.
Possible 245 is Sand Trap.
4 by 10-4, 2+4 and 4 is en route.
I have a blue sedan trying to take off on me.
33 on Metro for 2-4 boy on a possible 245 at Stella Sand Trap.
2-4 boy further. There's a female trying to block me and she fell to the ground. It's going to be eastbound now through the light at Sterling. Continue eastbound and it's TC is right in front of the La Villa.
Rodriguez crashes at La Villa on Niles Street, approximately half a mile from Stella's Sand Trap. Rodriguez exits the car and begins to flee on foot. Deputy Santos follows.
4 pursuit, continuing eastbound on now.
No, they tasted. Look, they're still running. They're still, and this fool tased them. What the Ooh. They popped his ass. What the
Your Snapchat's gonna end.
What the I don't even know what the happened. This fool just drove by him. Oh, they popped his ass again. What the
Rodriguez attempts to turn around and face Deputy Santos, but falls down in the process. Here's the moment Rodriguez attempts to reach into his waistband as he charges at Deputy Santos.
They popped his ass. What the
Your Snapchat's gonna end.
As Deputy Santos backpedals to leave room between himself and Rodriguez, Rodriguez picks up speed and reaches for Deputy Santos. This is when the second shooting occurs.
I'm what's your 1020? I'm in the alley, across from Head Boys. Keep on 4 boys, start medical.